How does Node.js handle asynchronous operations internally? Node.js handles asynchronous operations using a single-threaded JavaScript execution model combined with the libov library, which provides an event loop, and a thread pool for non-blocking I/O. What exactly exists is a main JavaScript thread running the call stack, the event loop implemented in libov, internal queues for different phases, a thread pool for certain operations, and the operating system handling low-level I/O events. The order is strict. JavaScript code runs on the main thread. When an asynchronous operation such as file system access or network request is initiated, it is delegated to either the operating system or the libov thread pool. For network I/O, the operating system handles readiness notifications and informs libov when data is available. For file system or CPU-intensive tasks, libov places the work into its thread pool. While those operations execute outside the main thread, the call stack continues processing other synchronous code. When the asynchronous operation completes a callback, is queued into the appropriate phase queue of the event loop. The event loop runs in phases such as timers callbacks, pending callbacks, poll phase for I/O, check phase, and close callbacks. And between phases, it processes microtasks. The causal chain is a sync function called work delegated to OS or thread pool, main thread freed, operation completes, callback queued, event loop pushes callback to call stack, callback executes. Because JavaScript itself remains single-threaded concurrency, is achieved through delegation and event-driven scheduling rather than parallel execution of JavaScript code. For a software engineer, this means understanding that heavy synchronous code blocks the event loop, while asynchronous operations rely on libov and the OS to avoid blocking. Node.js handles asynchronous operations by delegating work to the operating system or libov thread pool, and using the event loop to schedule callbacks back onto the single JavaScript thread when the work is complete.